Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. So today we are talking about a full face makeup order. Now there's no specific way, there's no right, there's no wrong way of applying makeup, nor is there a way on when to do your makeup first or when to do your makeup last. So today we're going to be talking about the basics of what to do, when to do, how to do. Also, there is so many pros and cons to different ways in doing makeup, so we're going to talk about all of that today. So without any further ado, let's just hop into this video. So guys, with any way of applying makeup, you have to have a moisturizer. You have to moisturize first, there's no doubt about that. You can go in with a simple moisturizer like Vaseline, or you can go in and buy a high-end brand. With a moisturizer, what it does is that it seals your face, it locks your face, it prevents all the oils from overcoming your makeup. It also seems weird, but actually this is its purpose. So what happens is that it helps your skin moisturize so that your skin does not exceed the oil that it actually contains, as well as it does not dry out your skin, make your skin look ashy, flaky. The next thing that we have to apply that's compulsory, it's a must, is primer to your skin. This is my order of foundation. So first I go in with moisturizer and then I go in with primer. Primer is really good for the skin. It creates this whole type of base. It gives your face a flawless canvas so that when you apply your normal products, this is what it is going to look. It's going to give you like this beautiful lush vibe onto your face. This process is optional. I apply my foundation third. Before this, if you watched my videos long time ago, I used to do my eyes and then go in and do up my foundation, but I decided to switch it up because it saves a lot more time. So I go in third with my foundation. You can apply your foundation with a beauty blender, a sponge, or you can go in with a normal brush. The next thing you want to apply is your concealer. Conceal the areas that are underneath your eyes. Go in with your jawlines if you feel that you need it more snatched, more defined. Some people don't have that problem, but other people like to look more snatched, more original. So there's a whole way in which you can do that. Also, make sure you go in with a concealer that is 2 to 3 shades lighter than your actual skin tone. Go in with a foundation that is 2 to 3 shades lighter if you do not have a lot of problems on your under eye area or on your jawline area. Next, you want to go in with a bronzer. A bronzer is something that brings back the highlight onto your skin. It creates this whole type of snatched effect that everybody actually wants. So go in with that, apply it on your higher end of your cheekbones, bring it down towards your lips and brush that out. Brush it or buff it out with a beauty blender, sponge, or you can use a brush. Now once your face is done, you want to go in and set your whole face. Apply a setting spray all over your face because this locks and seals everything in. Why I say this is because when it locks and seals everything in, when you apply powder thereafter, it helps drastically. It is life-changing. It just helps. So try that, and thereafter you just want to buff that out onto your skin. Just blend it with your skin. Why I say blend it is because we do not want any flashback onto our skin throughout the day. Next guys, we go in with a bronzer, but in the powder type. Go in with that and just define what you already have on your cheeks. That area, just suck your lips in and just work magic on that part of your area. This area here is so important to create a snatched effect because it just allows your whole face to be lifted, uplifted. It makes your whole face look thinner and smaller, which everybody wants. The next thing we're going to go in and apply is blush. Blush is really important. There's a video on my channel that shows how people used to blush before versus now. There is a drastic difference in that, and I will link the video in the description box. So make sure you check that out. So make sure you go in with your blush with a very thin brush, but it must also be a little bit of fluffy so that it can work its way upwards. When you're applying blush, work it up, don't work it this way. So up, not this way. The next thing you want to go and apply is your glow. Glow is everybody's favorite thing. Everybody loves glow. I love glow. I'm sure you do. You can go in with a gold glow. You can go in with a silver. Anything works. Try out a rose gold glow. Oof, it is amazing. So apply your glow and thereafter just work with it. Go in with a fluffy brush after that and work whatever you have applied. And don't forget to go a little up on your forehead and just allow it to be seamless. So guys, the next thing you want to go and do is your eyes. Your eyes take a lot of time. There's so much of time. It depends on what you want to do on your eyes. Eyes generally takes me the longest. I don't know why. I love focus on the eyes, so that's what generally takes me the longest amount of time. If you look now, I still have a glitter eye, and here I'm doing a glitter eye, so that's what takes me the longest to do. Eyeliner is optional with every type of look. It just creates this whole type of dramatic effect on your eye. I like eyeliner. It looks really pretty. So there also, it depends on the shape, the size, on how you want your ring, when you want your ring. So that's also optional. The next thing that's also optional is false lashes. I love falsies. I can wear falsies every day. The only thing that happens to me is that my eyes get heavy throughout the day, so that's the only thing. But falsies is a must. It's compulsory. So yeah, that's it. That's falsies. So the next thing to do is to apply your lipstick. There's so many types of lipsticks nowadays. You can use ombre, you can use a single tone, you can use matte, you can use gloss, you can just use gloss alone, you can use matte and gloss it. There's so many ways to actually apply different types of lipsticks. So lipstick is the next thing that one needs to put on their face. And last but not least is to set your entire face. Go in with a setting spray that you know is long lasting. Go in with that and just apply it and you are good to go. So guys, this video was a little different. It was very informative. I don't generally do videos like this, but if you guys like videos like this, all you gotta do is stay on my channel, join the family, and let's grow together. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with another amazing YouTube video. I'm out, guys.